Hello and welcome to HomeBase training. Today we're going to talk about adding a service provider and what makes a service provider different than just inviting a party to the transaction. A service provider would be somebody that uses the system more frequently. I'll give you an example. Guardian Title. Although you can invite any title company into the system, Guardian Title is unique because they're working on a number of files and a number of transactions. Now remember, they can only come into the transaction if you invite them into the transaction. That's their only access in. But once they're in, they can do all kinds of things to make your life easier and your seller's life easier as well. Let's start here on the basic page. This is a transaction page, this one specific transaction. It's a listing on 400 South Downing Street. Seller is Todd Moyer. All these tabs that you see right below the address speak specifically to the transaction at hand. The upper tabs are general tabs for HomeBase, again, in general. So let's come down to services. It's important we can invite companies like Guardian Title or CB Home Loans or repeat users in as service providers. That way they can also upload important documents into HomeBase for you, as well as go in and manage a number of transactions with the same username and password from their end. Okay, let's go ahead and add in title company. You'll see that it says title company. In this case, we're going to add the service. I'm going to keep it simple right now, and we're just going to add Guardian Title because they're already loaded into the system. There'll be a separate class on how to load a service provider that's not in the system, and you can do that anytime you want to. Okay, so in this case, we'll choose Guardian Title. We'll go up here to Service Name. We'll call it TBD. Makes it simple. I'm going to select that. We must select a representative from that service company. In this case, I'm working out of the West office. So it's Karen Carter, our closer in the West office. Today's date is the 3rd, and I want that title commitment by Friday the 6th, normal order, and I scroll down and click Save. Okay, so I've now moved Guardian Title into the transaction. However, I've not yet ordered the TBD. So my next step is to go to E-Order, and now I'm going to order the actual TBD. Here's the beauty of using Guardian Title. Again, you can use anybody you want to use, but I'm a creature of convenience, and this is the easiest thing for me to do, so I'm going to go ahead and use Guardian. The nice thing is, when I order it through Guardian, you'll notice the box here called Digital. The system is set up such that their mainframe computer talks to HomeBase, so it makes it very efficient and very quick. I click Order Now, and the order is on its way. When the order is complete, when TBD is complete, a great thing happens. Karen has the ability to go right inside of HomeBase and tuck that TBD right into HomeBase, and when she does that, I'll be notified by email that my TBD is resting inside of HomeBase. It's just that easy.